guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Unfortunately, we all have to do dishes, but when I can find a product that gets my dishes really clean, but is also better for the environment, then it's a win-win. So I wanna show you this product here. This is the Beyond Dishwasher Tabs, and these things are great. So these are a 75% bio-based product, and they are made from plant-based and mineral-derived ingredients. So what I love about these is that they are super simple to use. They are a little tab, so there's no mess. You don't have to pour anything out. It comes in this little protective film, and that will dissolve in the wash, and it features a built-in rinse aid. And let me tell you, these little guys pack a punch. They really work super well. So I have tested these out thoroughly. I have done many washes with these, and I am super pleased with the way my dishes come out. I have even left dishes overnight purposefully to let the food really stick on to see just how well these work, and every time they do an amazing job. So the dishes come out really clean, there's no residue, there's no stickiness, the glass comes out sparkling clean, and they're just an excellent product. So to use them, you can place this little tab into your detergent compartment, or you can pop this into your silverware container, and either way they come out perfect every time. So if you're looking for a better way to get your dishes squeaky clean, I would definitely check out these Beyond Dishwasher Tabs. I've been really happy with them. I love that there's no chlorine bleach, there's no fragrances, no dyes. I love that they're plant and mineral based. I love that they're very simple to use and really effective. So I think you're gonna love them too. That's my point of view.